All right. What's going on, my Freethinking Rebels? And welcome once again to Decrypting Crypto live stream. It is I, your host, Stefan Subero, the Holistic Growth Mentor. I am a certified holistic financial planning coach specializing in digital asset management, and I am on a mission to help busy parents, business owners, and entrepreneurs like yourself to safely invest and automate your digital assets, create passive income, and build a legacy for yourself, your family, and your community. My friends, if you are live right now, I want you to smash the like button, the subscribe button, and please share this content with your friends and your family so everybody can enjoy this powerful information. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to do that while I get ready over here. And my friends, this video is brought to you today by the Future of Money Masterclass. Let's listen to a quick message by them while you share this content with your friends. All right, I'm going to give you that time. As the world sinks deeper into debt, your hard-earned money loses value daily. The solution: safeguard your wealth with smart, diversified, and decentralized income strategies. Breakout Solutions is on a mission to take back personal freedom, individual rights, and financial sovereignty. As the era of CBDC's, digital IDs, and social credit system approaches, it's crucial to act now to safeguard your financial future. Introducing the Future of Money, your guide to what's happening and what is coming. Join our 90-minute session to equip yourself, your loved ones, and your business against a system bent on control. Your time is precious. Don't waste it anymore. Use the link below, join our next virtual event, and access my exclusive bonuses. My friends, today we have some great news coming from El Salvador. A game-changing Volcano bond approved. Much more about that. Moving on right now. I got some people joining us live today. If you join live, please let me know in the comments, where are you joining in from? Shout out to each and every one of you. Now, let's take a look at the story today. El Salvador's Bitcoin bond gets regulatory approval. Targets Q1 launch. So the Volcano bond was approved by the country's Digital Asset Commission on December 11th, with issuance expected in Q1 of 2024. Furthermore, it goes on to say that the country's pro-Bitcoin leader, Nayib Bukele, also seemingly confirmed the news in a post on his own caption. When Volcano Bond, while also reposting several posts noting that the bond will be issued in Q1 of 2024. Furthermore, it says that El Salvador's first passed the landmark legislation providing the legal framework for the Bitcoin-backed bond in January 11th. The Volcano bond is intended to pay down sovereign debt and fund the construction of country's proposed Bitcoin city. The ONTC said the bond will be issued on Bitfinex Securities platform, a trading site for blockchain-based equities and bonds registered in El Salvador. It signals the beginning of Coinbase capital markets in the country, with the bond set to last 10 years and pay 6.5% in annual return to holders. Now, this is obviously really great news for El Salvador. They have been really innovating and pushing their legislation towards Bitcoin maximalism to a certain extent. But I can't, I gotta say, one of the smartest countries, I believe. I think they are going to become a superpower in the next 10 years if they continue on this movement. And hey, 6.5 holding a bond. Where else are you going to get 6.5 by holding a bond? Not with the US bonds. So definitely take a look at the Volcano bond. coming in the Q1 of next year. Next up, the central banks are plotting a crypto invasion. Let's see what this has to say. Central banks across the globe are gearing up for what can only be described as a crypto invasion. From January 1st, 2025, they are set to hold up to 2% of their reserves in cryptocurrencies, as per the groundbreaking directive from Bank for International Settlements. Furthermore, it says the Basel Committee of Banking Supervision has laid out a meticulous plan to integrate crypto into the banking fold, post executive consultations and feedback. This plan divides crypto assets into two distinct categories. Now, listen to this. Group one is the safe zone, comprising tokenized traditional assets and stabilized cryptocurrencies that adhere to the existing Basel framework's risk weights. It's like the central banks are saying, we trust you, but let's not get too wild. I love that. Yeah, let's not get too wild. It's kind of hard not to get wild with crypto, but furthermore, it says on the other side, the spectrum is group two, the high risk zone. These are the crypto assets that don't meet the criteria for group one. Banks dabbling in this group will face a conservative capital treatment, akin to a financial version of walking a tightrope without a safety net. The exposure limit for these assets is set at 2% of the bank's tier 1 capital, with a strong recommendation to aim a lower 1%. Breaching these limits triggers more stringent capital treatments, underscoring the caution embrace of the riskier digital assets. Well, first of all, yeah, great, 2%. That's good. This gives I guess more security and strength and adoption to crypto. They don't specify which crypto they're going to be holding. I'm 100% sure that in their tier one they're probably going to hold some Bitcoin and Ethereum, possibly maybe Binance. Maybe we'll see. We'll see which ones they hold. And their tier two is going to be all the higher risk projects that we lunatics are looking at right now. So let's stay away from those. Hey, thank you, central banks. But yeah. Next up, Russia plans to export crypto like natural gas. Will they legalize it? Russia's Ministry of Finance has been mulling the idea of exporting cryptocurrencies produced out of mining activities taking place in the country. The ministry says that this mechanism would also work similarly to the country's natural gas exports. Russian miners might get the permission to sell cryptocurrency as an export commodity, as discussed by Deputy Minister of Finance Ivan Chebeskov during the round table on cryptocurrency and the future of digital finance. Furthermore, it says that Russia has been home to several miners amid the availability of resources and cheaper electricity costs. Chebeskov further emphasizes that the Ministry of Finance and the Bank of Russia share a unified stance on acknowledging cryptocurrency mining as an industry. Now, last bit I'm going to read for you. Legalizing crypto mining. What about crypto use? Let's see. They're going to let you mine it. Are they going to let you use it? Let's see. In a significant development, lawmakers introduced a bill seeking to legalize cryptocurrency mining to the State Duma in November of 2022. The proposed legislation outlines the process for miners to sell the produced currency, along with strict regulation on advertising and offering of the digital currency. So yes, they will be able to, but they're going to be strict regulations to protect you, the public, against this very, very, very volatile and extremely risky asset class that you need to be super cautious before you buy any of it. Yeah, be extremely cautious, my friends, because you don't know what you're doing and you don't have the sovereignty to know what you're doing. Just listen to what the banks have to say. Oh, yes. Okay, that was it for the news highlights. We are going to move on to the market updates. And what a beautiful week. Once again, it has been. Let's see what we have for the market updates. All right, let's start off with the crypto bubbles. This week we started off again, immense, beautiful sea of green bubbles, and we're ending the week also very green. We have big winners like Bonk at 96%, Kuji 77%, BTT 64, Woo 58, Engine big gainer 74%, Osmo 67. Lot of big gainers, my friends. Drop a comment right now. Let me know if any one of these coins are in your portfolio. Let me know how much you're up. Celebrate. Let's celebrate together. Let's celebrate together. I know that our portfolios are up quite a bit. Very good time to celebrate. Remember, take profit, my friend. Nobody has ever gone broke by taking a little bit of profit, but it's very early, so don't overdo it. Just take your time. Take your time. Fair and Greed Index is still up at 72. Beginning of the week, we were, I think, at the same level. Last week, a high of 65. Next, in the Bitcoin rainbow chart. Now, a week ago, I believe, when we were looking at it, same thing, right? I have been saying this. We will get rejected. We got rejected. We came down halfway back down. Now it seems like we want to attempt to break this zone again. We're going to have to wait and see. I don't think we're ready to break the zone yet. I do believe we may attempt, but we're going to get heavily rejected and come back down. But hey, who am I? I'm just a random guy here talking nonsense on YouTube. So please don't listen to me, okay? Now, my friends, if you have not yet, please take a minute and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Breakout Solutions. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new content. We post every single day for you, Monday to Friday. It's either going to be me or Matt. So, hey, check us out. All the new content posted on daily basis. A lot of good information for you to learn and grow with us. All right, we're going to move on to the Twitter highlights. Let's see what's going on X right now. All right, we got some advice from the one and only Alex Becker. The beautiful thing with low, mid, and micro caps is this. A, you never keep a huge amount of your net worth in 5 tops. Key, say this is a total fake out bull. There's an extremely good chance the next time we see this movement, it's the real one. Buying from lows will give 10 to 20x. So say you get wiped out 2x. That's fine. You can literally make that 5% back, storing the rest of your money in money market passively. But one of those times, pow, the 5% in doubles, even triples your network. Understand, we are not in the prediction or reading the markets game. We are in the catch the one in a lifetime moonshot narrative game. We have a rare chance right now, and know it will be gaming. It's just a matter of catching the when. Look, listen, Alex always has great advice. I agree 100%. Right now is the time to accumulate. Don't worry about the 10%, the 20% gains. We are looking for the 5, the 10, the 20x, the 100x, the 1000x gainers. So right now, just focus on finding quality projects that have the technical, fundamental analysis, and then accumulate. Gaming is definitely a big industry that you need to be paying attention to. We have a couple of gaming projects in our portfolio that have already 2x'd just in the last couple of months. and their potential is 50 to 100x. If you want to learn more about that, please use the link in the description and book a free coaching call with me today. Next up, Bitcoin Archive. Breaking Bitcoin to be recorded at fair value under the new FASB rules issued today. This is huge. Previously, companies could only value their Bitcoin at the lowest price since they bought it, which meant they would have to record losses, but not the gains when the price recovered. Bitcoin keeps winning. That is definitely some great news in Twitter. We're going to swiftly move on to our adoption highlights, and let's see what's going on in the world of adopting crypto. Coinbase highlighted again. Coinbase has been rocking it these last couple of weeks. They're really doing some good work on it. Let's see what is going on this week. Coinbase to globally expand its crypto trading services. Coinbase Legal is expanding globally by introducing spot currency trading on its international exchange. The move comes in response to users' concern about uncertain regulatory conditions in the United States, promoting the platform to broaden its services internationally. Furthermore, it says the development among the exchange platforms. In May, Coinbase launched its international exchange as a strategic move to diversify beyond the United States. We got to diversify beyond the US and Canada, 100%. The platform plans to gradually introduce more tokens and extend offshore spot trading to retail investors as liquidity increases. Big up to Coinbase for one, getting out of the States and keeping to expand their reach and diversification across the globe. Now, before we jump into the last news of today, my friends, again, here at Breakout Solutions, we provide you a multitude of options based on your goals, based on your investment level, and based on what you want to accomplish. Now, I invite you to either use the link below to sign up for our next Future of Money Masterclass. Number two, you can also sign up for our free Decrypting Crypto introductory cryptocurrency course, free for you to go through so you can learn the basics and understand why the crypto space is so important and why it is the future of finance. Or number three, use the link below to apply for a breakout session. So this free breakout session is basically a one-on-one coaching session where we get to analyze what your goals are, what your aspirations are, where you are on this transformational investment journey of yours, and where we can meet you to guide and help you move forward. So those are your options right now. Don't waste any more time. Whatever is holding you back, take a step today to make a change and take advantage of the coming crypto bull market, because it's going to be massive. And I want you to be there with us. We can guide you. We can hold your hand, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Just take a minute and do that right now. Now, last up, we have Worldcoin integrates with Shopify, Mercado Libre, Minecraft, Reddit, and Telegram. Worldcoin released a new version of its World ID feature with multiple app integrations. Worldcoin has launched a new version of its World ID feature called World ID 2.0. According to a December 12th announcement, the new version is integrated with Shopify, Mercado Libre, Reddit, Telegram, allowing users to prove their humanness on these platforms, because you got to prove you're human now, my friend, just in case you didn't know that. So you need to go get your eyes scanned to make sure you're human, make sure AI hasn't taken over your brain yet. So this is what we're going to use this for. So please do it. Shout out to my 3D TV. Hello, everyone. Shout out to you, my friend. Appreciate it. Appreciate the comment. Furthermore, in this article, it goes on to say the announcement stated that the new app integration adds to existing ones, including Discord, Talent Protocol, and Octa's Art. The new version allows the app developers to choose between different levels of authentication, ranging from light to max. Isn't this amazing, my friends? You're going to have the opportunity to let them know if you're a light human or a max human. I don't know what that means. Am I a max human, a light human? Does your skin tone has anything to do with it? I'm not sure, but all I can say is don't get your eyeball scanned. Please don't. Um, yes, thank you, Worldcoin. I guess I understand what you're doing. Do I agree with getting your eyeball scanned to authenticate yourself and put yourself in this huge database to ensure that you're a real human being? Nah, not really. So unnecessary, but hey, we gotta keep up with the news and see what's happening. All right, Ruth is my 3D TV. Shout out to Ruth, jumping in from Jamaica. Oh, Ruth, the weather's probably so nice right now over there. Like it's not too bad here. It's -7 today, but yo, it's gonna get cold AF pretty soon. So take in the sun rays for me. Send me some sunshine energy because I'm definitely gonna need it very soon. Gustavo Faro also says, excellent information, bro. Thank you, Gustavo. I appreciate it. Gustavo, where are you now, brother? Last time we spoke, I think you were in Peru. I'm not sure where you're at these days. But, brother, again, enjoy the warm weather. And yeah, my friends, this is it for me today. Again, we are here Monday to Friday on Decrypting Crypto. It's either going to be myself or Matthew. So please join us, and let's keep the crypto energy flowing. I'll see you all next week. Stefan out.